तो मैं आपको बोला था कि जैसे इंटीजर में आपके एक ही वैल्यू है, ओनली वन वैल्यू इज देयर, राइट? In the same case of float, we can see only one value, right? In the same case, if we see the string, it's storing only one value, right? But if we need more values in the same container, right? हमें same container में value चाहिए. So what we will do, we will using the list. So let's say list one is the container where we have storing the, let's say this is the milk, right? And then we had the bread, right? Then we had chapati in our tiffin, right? Then we had the, like, 2 kg is the weight of this tiffin, right? So let's say we are going to create the variable for my tiffin, right? So this tiffin is containing milk, bread, chapati, and two bananas and the like apples as well, right? And let's say this is having some 4.8 kind of liter of milk, etc., right? Let's say I'm going to print this tiffin here. It's showing the entire ingredient of my tiffin, right? So you can see this is containing different object. यहाँ पे float भी है, यहाँ पे integer भी है, यहाँ पे character string भी है, right? But what other functions are there? Those are committed, right? Let's say I'm going to find the tiffin and zero. Can you see? It's showing the first string value, first character, first ingredient. In case I'm going to write this tiffin और इस list का मैंने 1 किया, now it's showing the second bread, right? If I'm going to write tiffin with -1, can you see it's showing the -1, 4.8 last value here, right? Let's take the another example in the list, right? Here is the question relevant to the list. Given the code below, use the correct method on line number 3 in order to add the element in C++ at T. Suppose we have the 10, 10.5, 20, 30, Python, Java, Ruby, and we want to add the number in this list, right? How would you use the correct method in order to add the list in C++, right? तो क्या करेंगे इसके लिए हम? What is the function name? We want to add the element inside the list. The function name is called append. Right? What do you want to append? That is the C++. So Python, Java, Ruby के साथ में C++ आपको add करना है. Then you can see now C++ is added here. Can you see here? You can write this function name. ये बहुत जगह use होता है. Right? Let's say you just tell me another programming language. कुछ और programming language बताइए आप. Anyone?
R language.
R language. Yes. So I'm going to use R language. Can you see? Previously we had added C++. Now we added R language. Right? Can you tell any number? Any integer number relevant to R language? 25. Can you see? Now 25 is added here. Is it correct? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir, clear.
All right. Okay, so we had completed 3 exercises, and now This is the fourth one. In this code, we want to remove the item 30 from my list. How would I remove this 30 element? Anyone?
Dot remove index number.
Okay, let's try remove and then 30. Wonderful. This was a good try. We had removed 30 out of the given list. So these are predefined function. Okay, can I remove this 30 now? Okay, can I write this like remove and then capital remove अगर मैंने लिखा तो चलेगा क्या? Can you see? नहीं. Why? क्योंकि ये केस सेंसिटिव है एंड एट्रीब्यूट एरर यहाँ पे शो हो रही है. कोई भी रिमूव नाम का फंक्शन नहीं है, जबकि सिर्फ आपने स्मॉल आर को कैप्स लॉक में आर लिखा हुआ है. Is this clear to everyone? You can connect here. Python is purely case sensitive language here. So I can write the 30 again. You can see 30 is removed in this code. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here is the exercise number 5. Then what is the question? In this code, we want to return the index of 10.5. So we all know this is the 0 index number, this is the 1 index number, this is the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I want to print the return index number of this 10.5. How would you print that index? आप प्रोग्राम से कैसे इंडेक्स प्रिंट करोगे? Anyone? I can use the index value. Can you see it is showing the index of this 10.5. Let's print the Python. It's showing the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it the correct index number of Python? Anyone? So this is the correct index of this Python, right? यहाँ पे किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है?
No, sir.
Okay. So let's focus on the another functions. This is the exercise number 6, right? Let's say in this code we want to insert the element 7 at index number 4. How would you insert this value? In the above question we have seen the append function, but append क्या करता है? Last में append करता है. But we want to store, we want to insert this element at index number 4. How would I use this function name? कैसे मैं इस कोड को इस पर्टिकुलर इंडेक्स नंबर पे ऐड कराऊं? एनीवन?
Dot insert 4,77.
Okay. Right. Yes. Insert 4 comma. Oh, sorry. This should be commented. Yes, wonderful. So really appreciable and remarkable that we have successfully inserted 77 at index number 4. Right? Okay, let's say I want to insert the R language at index number 6. How would I insert that value? This is the code part C, and I want to insert the 6 comma R language. Can you see it just stored at R language location, 6 location. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So at 6 position, it's just stored, right? Okay, let's move ahead. Here is the next question. In this given code, we are going supposed to write the code and letter and the end of list. मुझे इसके end में लिखने हैं. How would I write this code?
append फंक्शन का यूज करके
हाँ?
append
No.
फंक्शन का
If
यूज
you write append here, and inside this append, if you try to insert this list, right? Then if you write this append function here, then can you see it's showing invalid syntax? Okay, sorry. Can you see? append तो हुआ, लेकिन अगर आप इसको ऐसे लिखोगे तो देखो append में दो प्रॉब्लम हुई. अगर आप इसको विदाउट स्क्वायर लिखोगे, then it's showing the error which is like append takes only one argument, right? But 3 given, हमने 3 दे दिए. But if you want to add, if you just hovering over the square bracket, अगर आपने इसको यहाँ पे प्रिंट किया, can you see ये लिस्ट की जैसे यहाँ पे एलिमेंट हुआ है. So this is the called sub list. So what is the index number? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? तो अगर आप इस my list का 7 index number if you check, it will be fetch entire list. So this is called sub list, right? So but we do not require sub list. Instead we require as a number. ये 100, 101, 102 के जैसे हो. क्या करूं मैं?
Sir, instead of append, we have to write concatenate.
What?
Sir, instead of append, we can write concatenate.
Concatenate function. Okay, you are saying concatenate. How to write concatenate? But in that case, you will have to assign this in a new new Python code. Oh, sorry, new list, right? So let's say, what's your name? What's your name?
Sarthak.
Sarthak. Okay. So I'm creating our new list. Name Sarthak is equal to the new list, right? And this new list will be my underscore list plus Sarthak, right? Yes, it is appended, right? But here is the question. They are asking for the function name, right? The question is like given this one. So this dot means they are asking some kind of predefined question related to list, like insert function is there, like index function is there, remove function is there. We had seen the append function earlier, right? इस तरीके के function list में कौन सा होगा? Okay, let me show that function. Reveal this function. This function reveals extend. So extend is kind of function where you can pass the entire list, and if you print the list here, you will be getting the entire value. Can you see here? Let's say now I'm going to write just 99, 87, 94. Let's say 98, 97. Can you see this 99, 98, 97 are extended in the given list? Is this clear to everyone? सबको समझ में आ रहा है?
यस सर.
कोई ऐसा जिसको कनेक्ट? हाँ
सर, अगर इस लिस्ट को हम 30 के बाद से ही ऐड करना चाहे, 30, 99, 98, 97, उसके बाद पाइथन, जावा, रूबी हो.
मुझे लगता है इंसर्ट, उसके केस पे हमें इंसर्ट तो नहीं लेगा. लेट्स ट्राई विद द इंसर्ट. एक काम कर सकते हैं, हम फॉर लूप लगा सकते हैं, फॉर लूप के साथ में इंसर्ट हम चला सकते हैं, राइट? एक तो तरीका ये है, and then extend. I'll check that code, right? कि how to insert that value. Okay, let me try this Python list. ये क्या करेगा, पूरा insert ही कर देगा. कितने 6 पे insert कर दिया. Can we give more numbers? I don't think. Yes, it got 2 arguments, but it is giving only 2. No, it won't work. Okay. So we will see more interview questions in the next session onward, and I